How's it going? You alright? Is that recording? Okay, so. Yes, yes. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, as soon as I decided to come shopping, there's a bike outside, so that's pissing down with rain. But, well, you know, this wet through already, like. Yeah, well, when I get home, I'm going to wire roll me second battery up properly with battery blender and all that, get all wires soldered together and proper connectors on and stuff, so everything's right. New backlight setup seems to be working alright. Man, it was only a tenner, but it's better than the one up with nearly 30 quid. That's a piss. What a fucking evening it is. Jesus. I think I should have turned back earlier. May as well carry on now. I'm been halfway there nearly. But it is very shite. I'll skip that bit of traffic. How's it going, Jay? You alright? What the fuck are you doing? See that? Fucking idiot. The indicators are still a bit buggy. It does need to tighten that a bit. Not that I get a good grip on button. But as long as the backlight's working, I don't need the indicators really. And I'll get that sorted so I can use it right, but I'll be alright for this journey. Oh, I tell you what guys, it's fucking cold and wet. Not a good combo. Hopefully it's going to dry up a bit. It's been alright actually most of the day today. Just as I decided, in fact it's been alright right up until I come out. Hopefully by the time I get out from Asda, the rain will calm down a bit. It's starting to get heavier now. As I said before, I do use the e-bike in the rain obviously, but if I can get away with it, I prefer not to have it out in the rain. You know what I mean? My legs are absolutely freezing. My pants are absolutely soaked. Let's get a skip to Asda. Oh my god, this weather is fucking atrocious. It's gone from fucking bad to worse. Oh, looks like I've got a bit of traffic coming down here. Alright, the people up everyone finishing work and that, won't it? Believe it or not, it's only about 4:45 in the afternoon. Or evening, all depends on how you look at it. I still class it as late afternoon. Oof. That is brutal. My legs are numb as shite. Jeez. They're like a couple of big hams. I'll turn this off, guys. See you later.